So far, isa nga to sa pinaka-affordable na project na ma-offer namin dito sa Las Piñas na modern, spacious, at yes, pwedeng-pwede mong malipatan agad. If eto nga rin ang hanap mo, then watch the full house. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepita Sabido for another Las Piñas project tour. At ang ganda nga ng unit na to kasi na-maximize talaga ang layout ng bahay. May floor area ka na 110 square meters and a lot area of 72 square meters, and perfect nga to for a growing family. Maaliwalas ang pagkaka-layout kasi open space ang concept at complete finish na to ha, kaya naman lilipatan mo na lang talaga together with your family and loved ones. May provision ka na for 1 to 2 carport, may 3 bedrooms ka na rin, 2 toilet and bath, 1 in the master's bedroom, at may powder room ka na rin sa ground floor. 2 units lang available natin dito, at alam mo ba, tahimik lang din ang community natin. At malapit lang din to sa major establishment katulad na lang ng SM South Mall, Perpetual, Alabang area, ATC, and also Evia. Since located to sa Talon 5, Las Piñas, guaranteed din na flood-free and fault line-free. At alam mo ba, 7 million pesos lang to considering na Las Piñas ka at prime location. Napaka-affordable na talaga. And this is available either cash or bank financing, and since constructed na to, once you pay the down payment, pwede mo na agad malipatan ang unit. So paano, ito na ba ang unit na para sa'yo? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!